Vanilla sponge cake filled with white chocolate ganache and decorated with American buttercream. Football cake. Wonderful cake to have for a birthday party. Welcome to Ayses Lavender kitchen. Let's start with a vanilla sponge cake. 5 egg whites, keep the 5 yolks aside to use later. Whisk until you form a stiff peak. In a separate bowl, add 250 grams of softened butter. Whisk until smooth. Add 250 grams of sugar and whisk to incorporate. Add 5 egg yolks and whisk again. Part sieve 450 grams of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract along with slowly adding 370 ml of milk. Whisk to incorporate, then slowly add the remaining flour and milk. Now add your egg whites into your mixture. Using only a spatula, incorporate your egg whites slowly. Using butter, grease your 20 cm tin. Pour your batter into the tin and bake at 170 degrees, no fan, for 1 hour and 15 minutes and check to see if it's cooked through. Once your cake has completely cooled down, cut the top off to have a flat surface. Evenly cut your cake into 3 layers. Now for the white chocolate ganache, 250 grams of white chocolate and 420 ml of double cream, melt together in the microwave for 40 seconds. Covering the top, refrigerate for 30 minutes. Once the white chocolate ganache has cooled down, whisk to form a whipped white chocolate ganache. Now for the American buttercream, 160 grams of softened butter. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Sieve 560 grams of icing sugar. Slowly add in 30 to 40 ml of milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Whisk to combine all the ingredients. Now for the assembling. Place the bottom layer of the cake on a cake board or a plate and fill with chocolate ganache. Then repeat this with the second layer. Cover the cake with the remaining chocolate ganache. Refrigerate your cake for 30 minutes. By doing this, we're ensuring the cake is firm enough to work on. Using a printed and cut out pentagon shape, starting from the top, with the help of a toothpick, draw around. Now we'll be using the hexagon shape. To decorate the cake, colour 2/5 of your buttercream in white, 2/5 in black and 1/5 in green. Place your buttercreams in a piping bag with a small star or round nozzle. Start with your pentagon shape and pipe black buttercream. Using black buttercream, also pipe on the lines. Pipe the hexagons with white buttercream. Using a small leaf nozzle, placing your green buttercream in a piping bag, pipe leaves around your ball. Great cake to make for a birthday party with vanilla sponge cake, white chocolate ganache filling and American buttercream for decorating. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.